Hi, I'm Aslam and I am a registered attorney, and in today's video we're going to be talking about, is divorce the right answer? These three questions are primed for you to consider in terms of, should you go ahead and see a divorce lawyer or should you try to save the marriage? Question number one: what is the state of communication between you and your spouse? Human beings are driven by communication. It's the way that we express ourselves. We are also driven by our emotion. Emotion is expressed through communication. If you and your spouse are no longer on the same wavelength, or cannot understand each other, and you'll have tried to understand each other, then divorce might be the only option. Ultimately, if you can't communicate and you're trying to communicate, what's the point of staying together? Question number two: every relationship, be it a employer-employee, colleagues, or a personal intimate relationship like husband and wife, requires trust. If there is no trust, there is no relationship. So has your spouse or yourself done anything to break down that trust? If that's the case, how can you restore a broken glass? Ultimately, that other person is always going to be questioning your intentions, your motives, etc. That could be a signal that divorce could be the only option left. And the last thing for you to consider is, if you got good communication, the trust hasn't been broken, but there is no personal growth. If you're in a relationship, it's been a number of years, and you believe the relationship is the maximum it can possibly be, in other words, you're not growing anymore as a person, you're not growing as a couple, you're not having new personal experiences, you're not taking your life to the next level, you need to ask yourself, staying with this person, is it going to help me to achieve my personal goals? That's something for you to consider and only an aspect for you to answer. I wish you all the best. If you need help in your situation in terms of preparing for a divorce or further guidance on divorce aspects, you're more than welcome to contact our office. I'll speak to you soon.